What's your name?
My name is right here.
Your name is not right here. Your mother didn't name you right here. You're not married into the right here family. What's your name? I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 people with guns surrounding me for taking pictures in public. I didn't ask you for help.
I'm asking you.
I didn't ask none of y'all for help. I didn't approach none of y'all and ask you for help.
I'm asking you, it doesn't matter who's
I want somebody to teach her what prior restraint is.
When engaging with law enforcement in public spaces, citizens have the constitutional right to record police activities, as demonstrated by the activists' encounter at the 26th Precinct in Harlem. Under the First Amendment, as established in Glick vs. Cunniff, 2011, the right to record police officers performing their duties in a public space is protected. The activists' recording of police vehicles was met with initial hostility, with officers questioning his actions and flashing a light at his camera, which he correctly identified as an attempt at prior restraint. By calmly asserting his rights and citing legal principles, he educated the officers on the spot, highlighting that recording is a protected activity absent any criminal intent.
What happened? You good?
Why are you flashing your flashlight at me?
What are you doing?
I want to know what's up. You checking the van over there, now you coming over here, you checking this car. What happened?
What's your name?
My
How are
name is
you?
Officer Carroll.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
What are you doing?
What's your name? Who are you?
Who am I? Yeah. What are you doing? Why are you looking inside the van?
You know what prior restraint is?
Why are you looking in there? Why are you looking inside the van?
Do you know what prior restraint is?
It doesn't matter.
I'm asking you,
why are you looking inside the van?
That's what I'm asking you, because you was over there looking at the van,
you
and now
left
you're over
something in
here
there?
looking at this car. So I'm asking you, what's the problem? Do you need help?
Yeah.
Okay,
Can you
so
answer
what's
my
the
question
problem?
for me? Do you know what
I
prior?
don't need to answer your questions. I'm asking you, do you need help? Are you good?
Okay.
Yes or no?
Sir, do you need help, yes or no? Or are you going to move on? What are we doing?
Is there a sergeant here?
Do you need help, yes or no?
Is there a sergeant here?
Why you need a sergeant for?
Okay, because I want to see who's in charge.
It doesn't matter who's in charge.
I want somebody to teach her what prior restraint is.
You don't have, what business you have with that van? I find you looking inside it. What are you looking for?
Okay.
Are you trying to open
How
the
can I help y'all? What's up? How can I help you?
I
didn't ask you for help. I didn't make contact with you. You made contact with me.
You're on police vehicles.
Okay.
Inspecting them. What is your problem?
Okay, it's public property. It's public property. You want to have attitude? I can have attitude too. I don't even want to talk to you.
What's wrong? What do you need?
You don't even know what prior restraint is.
I'm in. Sir, excuse me. What's the problem today?
I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 people with guns surrounding me for taking pictures in public. I didn't ask you for help.
I'm asking you.
I didn't ask none of y'all for help. I didn't approach none of y'all and ask you for help.
I'm asking you, do you need help?
No, I don't. I need you to protect my rights in public. I need you to honor your oath to the Constitution. I don't want to have to beg you to do your job the proper way.
But I'm asking you, do you need help? You said,
Yeah, can you teach her what prior restraint is?
I'm asking you, do you
Yeah, I do. Can you teach her what prior restraint is?
I don't know what that means.
That means when you flash your flashlight in my camera for a prolonged period of time, you're violating my rights because you're prohibiting me from recording. That's prior restraint. That's called prior restraint.
Okay, so are we done?
Once you see I'm not a threat to you, you don't flash your flashlight in my camera.
You're trying to open the vehicle.
Okay?
A lot of people
You see, excuse me?
Yeah, I saw you
Excuse
were
me?
really close to the door.
Excuse me. Stop it. Cut it out. What's next? EDP? You want to try to EDP me next?
I don't know. Maybe. I don't know.
You wasn't even out here, so how you seen anything?
How do you mean I wasn't on
And everything's on camera.
How are we going to move on?
And everything's on camera.
I was in the vehicle. And
What's your name and badge number? Let me get your card.
He's right here.
Your name is right here? That's what you tell the judge? When you go to court? For the record, what's your name?
My name is right here.
Your name is not right here. Your mother didn't name you right here. You're not married into the right here family. What's your name?
You're bugging out.
I'm bugging out, but you made contact with me. You didn't want to identify yourself properly. You're not proud of your name? You're not proud of your name?
That's okay. You can record whatever you want.
You know what the Right to Know Act is? I need his card.
Sir.
That's a law.
We're going to move on from this.
I didn't approach y'all. Y'all approached me.
So, we just ask you simple questions. You want to keep recording, right?
Do I want to keep recording?
Oh, no, what are we doing right now?
I don't know what y'all doing. I know what I'm doing.
I know what you're doing.
Okay.
I'm exercising my rights freely in public. Yeah.
Hear me out. If you could record the car and everything.
Of course I could.
We're just concerned that someone was going to try to break.
That's fine.
That's it.
But you approach me with respect. You don't approach me disrespectful, surround me.
I thought
Like,
I did.
I have the right to ask for all of your business cards because your body cams are on.
Did I not approach you respectfully?
You did. She came in high attitude. He's standing mad close to
So
me.
record all you want and just watch him record, okay?
All right.
There you go. There you go, Sergeant. I appreciate you. Can you teach her what prior restraint is, Sarge?
Look, I do have to move the car though, so.
That's fine. I will not impede you.
Move the car. Okay, sir.
Communication is key. I will not impede nobody's business.
I'm not following you. I'm going to the driver's door.
Following me isn't a crime. Can I get your card, please? It's a law. It's the Right to Know Act.
Sure, no
You
problem.
don't have card, just either
have a
Italian
card.
or just write it down on a piece of paper. And
You know how much money we spend a year so that all of y'all can have cards? We spend a lot of money so that you guys can have
we
business
spend,
cards.
you know, it's our salary too. You know, we pay for it. We pay.
Where do you
for it
get
too.
where do you get the money for your salary from?
I pay tax. You
But
pay
where do you
tax.
get your money to pay taxes from?
That's not that. We work.
Oh, that's your.
Where do you get your who pays
I
your salary?
pay
Where do you
our
get the
share,
money
okay?
from? But the
pay
money
my
has to
share.
come from somewhere. It comes from us
I
first.
know my wife, my father,
Your
my
yes,
mom.
they
somebody,
give you
okay?
they give you their money so that
And
you
of
can.
course, I pay into our salary. I mean, I pay in the welfare system too.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
You ever been on welfare?
No, I pay into somebody's welfare, right?
Have you ever been on welfare?
I don't plan on to.
Okay. I was just wondering why you bung up welfare.
Anyway, just try to have a better night, okay?
Oh, I was having a great night. I was trying to avoid this whole thing. That's why I was walking away from you.
Okay.
Yo, Solomon.
The activist's confrontation with Officer Caros revealed a misunderstanding of prior restraint, a critical legal concept protecting free expression. Under the precedent set in Nirvido, Minnesota, 1931, prior restraint occurs when the government attempts to prevent speech or expression before it occurs. When Officer Caros directed a flashlight at the activist's camera to obstruct recording, she inadvertently violated this principle, which the activist swiftly pointed out. By challenging her actions and requesting a sergeant to clarify the law, he demonstrated how citizens can hold officers accountable in real time. His insistence on obtaining business cards under the Right to Know Act further emphasized the need for transparency, compelling officers to identify themselves and reinforcing that public servants must operate within legal boundaries.
I need your card, sir.
I got you.
I need your card.
There's telephone cell.
Look at him walking. Can you remind him what the Right to Know Act is? That's a law. It means I have the right to know who you guys are.
Ketos.
Kiddos, I'm sure you look much prettier when you smile.
Thank you.
How long you been on the force?
It doesn't matter.
I find it. It's public knowledge. 50-A. When your name and badge number real fast, I will. I'm just
I
not
like your
live.
shirt, by the way.
Thank you. I plead
I'm
the
not trying to
second.
change the
Look at the
subject.
back.
Yeah, it's a very nice shirt.
Yeah. I don't have my Second Amendment, unfortunately. I wish I did. You can't even get. So you know how hard it is to get your Second Amendment in the 5 boroughs?
100%.
Outside of New York, upstate, you can open
Orange
carry.
County? No problem.
You can open carry a rifle upstate. No problem. A city.
City's very hard.
You can't even come from Texas with your weapon into the city.
No.
It's sad world we live in. Texas is full Second Amendment.
Oh yeah, 100%.
Have a good night.
Thank you. You too. God bless you.
Oh yeah, you're allowed to record the police cars. We were just concerned of someone breaking into.
That's fine.
It's happened plenty of times.
Suspicion is fine. You can come ask me questions. That's fine.
I hope,
But you do it with courtesy, professionalism, and respect. Not hostility surround me. Like I don't know where that comes
I
from.
apologize that happened.
It's all right.
You have a better
I
night.
asked you nicely and you were running away from me.
Yeah, because I didn't want to talk to you. I don't have to speak.
But she was doing her job also.
If I suspect something, I left you alone this whole time. You were
Right.
circling around this van.
That was great. Yeah.
And then I saw you come over here, so now I'm worried. I'm concerned. I'm asking you, are you okay? Is there a problem?
Yeah.
And then you running from me.
Okay.
Okay, so
She was concerned for you.
that's
Can I
why
ask-
my partner came.
Can I ask you a question? At what point do Americans have to speak to the police?
You don't have to if you want.
Never. I never had to speak to you ever.
You don't.
So that was my choice. I didn't want to speak to you guys. I just want to record peacefully in
Make
public.
sure you're okay too. So.
You know what it is? Because a lot of police say, "Oh, he's just an antagonizer. He's looking for a rise." So that's why I don't talk to y'all. I just walk away. I walk around recording peacefully, and I try to avoid the contact because I don't want to fall into that stigma that he's one of those people. You know what I mean?
I understand.
I just
I
record
don't think
peacefully.
I don't think you're one of those people.
No. I'm peaceful. That's why when I see you up here, I just don't talk until you remember your de-escalation training. Then we can have a conversation. You know what I mean?
Just trying to have a civil conversation. That's all.
Sometimes it's confusing when I see all these people that swore to protect my rights surround me for constitutionally protected activity. I understand it's nighttime, but if you don't see me like jiggling into the car or like trying to break the car, you just see me walking around the cars filming them. That's not a crime.
No.
You can still come up and ask questions. That's fine, but I don't have to talk to you. You know. So I appreciate the de-escalation, and I hope you guys have a safe night.
You too.
I'm gonna go inside and get a CCRB complaint form. Take care. I'm not gonna hold you. She was cute until she started being a little bit tyrannical. When she calmed down a little bit, she put good at activism. We in the 26th precinct.
Excuse me? You can record outside 9 here, okay?
Why not, man? You didn't even ask me if I need help. Shouldn't that be your first line of question? Hi, do you need help? How are you? Are you at the front desk?
Yes.
Can I get a CCRB complaint form and your business card, please?
No problem. Give me your business
Thank you, I
card, but
appreciate
have to start
it.
recording.
Why? You don't even know who I am.
Can I get ID then?
No, I'm okay. I just want a complaint form. It takes 2 seconds.
Okay.
And I'll be on my way.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Sarge? Yeah. He wants to go CCRB.
I just want the paper. I just want the paper so I can be on my way.
Sir, can you stop recording? You're not allowed to record inside the precinct.
You don't even know who I am.
You're not allowed to record.
There's one person in America that can record.
You're not allowed to record in person. You have any documents showing that you're allowed to record in
I wish that we could just have a cordial conversation without the ego coming up and you trying
It's
to.
not an ego.
So why not speak to me like a human? Why immediately try to exert authority
Because
over
I
me?
see that you're recording.
Okay, that's fine. You're recording right now in the
I'm
precinct.
allowed to. We're not allowed to record the precinct.
You know that we took that to court,
And
right?
you take that camera off, please?
I just want my CCRB so I could be on my way. I don't plan on being here
All right,
forever.
can you give them all the information to make the CCRB so you can go on?
You don't have the form so I can fill it out, send it in the mail?
Yeah, I think we have the form.
And can I get your card, please?
Sir, here.
What's that? Your card?
Sure.
Thank you. You don't know that we took those signs? That policy? It's not even a law. It's a policy.
I understand.
Right, we took that to
But
court.
That's what I said. You could record all you want.
We took it to court.
Yeah.
And they ruled in our favor. You guys appealed it, and right now there's only one person that can record in precincts.
Yes. Is that you?
Could be.
Interesting.
Right. But if I'm here to conduct business,
you
why
don't
not?
need my card, right?
If I'm here to conduct business, why not help me with my business so I can leave? Why try to exert
You
authority?
asked me for my card. Did I give it to you?
What victims are you trying to protect? There's no victims here. There's nobody here. Just deal with me so I can leave. Have a good night, Sarge.
No problem.
Oh, is that it?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate it. God bless you. Where's this going to be at?
What's that?
Central Park? Where's that at?
Central Park?
Band show? I've never been there.
2000, 7-second. That's the entrance.
All right.
Okay.
Do you know when's your meetings?
These guys, mail.
He helped me.
No, I was giving you the phone number.
Okay, I'll
and
take
the
that too.
Email.
When is your public meetings?
Good, you're gonna have to call, I don't know.
Is it like the third Thursday, second
Every
Wednesday?
Wednesday, every third or second Wednesday of the month.
It's here?
But it's on the website.
Is it here?
Yeah.
A website called and look for
Oh no,
community
I think in
affairs.
this precinct they do it somewhere else. But on the website it tells you the date, where it's gonna be located.
And we can record those meetings, right?
I don't know.
That, I don't know.
I don't know.
All right. God bless you. Take care.
Yes, what's up?
In the precinct, the activists' request for a CCRB complaint, form, and officer business cards highlighted the importance of the Right to Know Act in fostering police accountability. Under New York City's local law 1119 of 2017, officers are required to provide their name, rank, and command on a business card during certain interactions. Despite initial resistance and an erroneous claim that recording inside the precinct was prohibited, the activists' knowledge of court rulings affirming this right forced officers to comply. By de-escalating the situation and educating officers about their obligations, he showcased how informed citizens can navigate confrontations to uphold transparency and ensure law enforcement adheres to legal standards. Like and subscribe for more police cam stories. Watch the next recommended video. Click to watch now.